Hey, good morning. I'm about to do a merch marinade demo for a project we're doing for the Highwaymen Rugby, a rugby tour they're doing to Arizona. So I'm going to get started. We're going to go ahead and click some custom shirts. So I can go ahead and click this button right here. And we're going to go with an economical shirt for this project because they are a bunch of rugby players on a budget. And so we're going to go here. They want it on a white t-shirt. Timing's tight. So we're going to do things as easily as we can. So we're going to go and design online. I've already prepped the artwork, upload an image, and we are going to go to the Highwayman front right here, place that image. And this image, I have it set, it's going to be 11 inches in the size. So we're going to go put it up the chest, and we're going to hit the other side of the shirt. So there's two ways to do it. Down here, change product side, or up there. So we're going to go down here. We're going to choose the back, has a maximum of 12.5 by 16. The back is going to be large and in charge, and it's going to be full color. So we're going to take a look at this, and I think I have it set to be, we're going to go about right there. Should be about, I believe, 12.5 inches tall, and you can see all the colors in use. It's going to be a real full color design. We're going to go hit the next step. Don't know their exact sizes yet, but just for the sake of this example, I'm going to say they have 10. Or maybe it's probably something like, might have like one, two smalls, maybe like eight mediums, and let's call it eight larges, which would leave us to say there's two extra larges. Probably this. Now they're 20, and let's just assume that the other people, there's one or two big boys. We get price. It's $25 shirt. We're gonna hit buy now. Call this Highwaymen Rugby 2022 Arizona Tour t-shirts. I'm gonna add to my cart. And we're going to go hit view cart. And we've got the shirt. We click this and we can see the mock-ups, front and the back. The back takes a little while to load. And we're going to hit close here. Proceed to checkout. I'm already logged in, so it's going to know some addresses, but they're going to want a local pickup. They want to pick it up here. It's going to say December 7th, but we're going to work with them to get it faster. And basically now they would just continue to pay. So that is the process of a merch marinade order. And the artwork was already prepped. So it's a pretty seamless process. Anyways, peace out, everybody.